Let it fly, Tammy.
Hey! Get back here, butterfly!
Let it fly.
What are you doing on your butterfly?
Trista's Halloween butterfly. Show it to Trista.
Touch it. She doesn't want to touch it.
Show it to her. Show it to her.
She's like crying.
Hey, no!
Come on, put it here, Tammy.
Bring her butterfly. Bring her butterfly. That's it. Like the butterfly?
Let it fly, Tammy.
Look at the butterfly. Look at the butterfly, Trista.
Eat it.
You don't want to fly. Let him.
Let it fly.
Don't let him touch the butterfly. Don't let her touch the butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's a Halloween butterfly.
No, it's a monarch butterfly.
Okay, it's a monarch.
Hey there.
Go, Trista.
I'm out food. But I'm out food.
Oh,
He thinks I'm food.
Let it fly.